I moved to Killington in 1990, and I've skied Killington every winter since then. On any given day, you can always find some good conditions somewhere on the mountain. You never get bored skiing at Killington. The best thing about the conditions today was the sunshine, but also the snow conditions were like midwinter. It was the first day that we skied top to bottom, and that's always an exciting day at Killington. I was really excited to ski through the tunnel today. It was the first day it was open for skiing. I'm really excited to see how it changes the flow of traffic on the mountain. Remarkably clear today. A beautiful day to be out on the mountain. Killington has been my home mountain and my playground summer and winter for nearly 30 years. My name's Dave Young, and I ski at Killington Resort.